Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a biography writing. Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee was an Indian politician who served as India's 13th president from 2012 to 2017. He was born on 11th December 1935 in the village of Mirati in West Bengal. His father's name was Pranab Mukherjee, who was an activist in the Indian independence movement. His mother was Rajlakshmi Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee completed his schooling in his native village at Birbhum and later graduated from Suri Vidyasagar College. He earned his master's degree in history and political science as well as a law degree from the University of Calcutta. He began his career as a journalist and teacher before entering politics in 1969. He was elected to the Rajya Sabha with the support of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Pranab Mukherjee became India's president on July 25, 2012, and making history as the first Bengali to hold the post. During his presidency, he promoted education, women's empowerment, and strengthened India's relationship with other nations. He received many honors, including the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, in 2019. Pranab Mukherjee passed away on August 31, 2020, at the age of 84. He will be admired forever for his honesty, dedication, and wisdom. Thank you for watching. Stay with me and like, share, subscribe.